Today, I'm going to be presenting CuraChain to all of you here. It's a transparent medical crowdfunding platform built on Solana. CuraChain revolutionizes medical fundraising by leveraging Solana's blockchain to eliminate fraud, ensures accountability, and empowers unprivileged patients all across the globe. Our platform bridges the gap between verified medical cases and philanthropic donors through a decentralized tamper-proof system that guarantees funds reaching their intended recipients with unparalleled transparency. So, what are the problems eroding the trust in medical fundraising? 30% of medical crowdfunding campaigns fail due to misappropriation, which causes opacity and fraud. Manual verification delays critical care by 14 plus days, which is very inefficient. Lack of real-time tracking diminishes donor confidence, which causes skepticism in donors. So, what solution is CuraChain providing? CuraChain combines Solana's high-speed infrastructure with rigorous verification protocols to create a trustless ecosystem. Patients submit encrypted medical records stored on-chain via IPFS or Airwave. Only vetted medical professionals and NGOs validate cases, ensuring legitimacy. Funds are locked in program-derived addresses, also known as PDAs, until approval, with real-time on-chain tracking. So how exactly does CuraChain work? A patient's case is submitted, as in he uploads an encrypted case, a unique PDA is generated. Vetted professionals review the case, and after a 70% approval, the case moves forward, and an escrow PDA account is created for the particular patient, where the donor contributes sold directly to the patient's escrow PDA account. So, coming to why CuraChain. Free for patients, donors, and partners. Every soul donated goes directly to verified cases. Solana-powered PDAs ensure tamper-proof tracking of funds and medical records. Only trusted NGOs and medical professionals validate cases. Serves unprivileged patients worldwide with Solana's low-cost, high-speed transactions. Encrypted documents and GDPRs or OFAC compliances protect patient privacy. No middlemen, no hidden costs, just hope delivered trustlessly. So I would like to conclude by saying that CuraChain isn't just a platform, it's a movement to redefine healthcare equity. Join us in building a future where no patient is left behind. Let's transform healthcare one blockchain at a time. So this is what CuraChain is all about, and this is built by me and my teammate, Ernest.